Welcome to Online Business Statistics. I just wanted to do a quick video to show you around the course. This is the home page, and here's my contact information and your textbook with the access code that you'll need. And then here is your assignments. This is where I'll post what's due for the week. Here are your proctored exam dates. And then this welcome message will be posted here, and you can click on here to start. Once you click on start, you'll be able to access the online orientation module, and then you have a module with all the important course information. This is where your course calendar is, your syllabus. Everything in this module is super important, so make sure that you read all of this carefully. The last thing is something new I've added. It's advice from last semester students. These are letters that they prepared, and be sure to read these because they may have some helpful advice on how to be successful in the class. And then after that, you will have your chapter modules, and then each chapter with videos and PowerPoint. And then on down, you'll see you have a midterm review, and then your proctored midterm is here, and with the formula sheets. And then if you keep going all the way down, you'll see the final, which is due December the 4th. Also, you have Smarter Proctoring over here. This is where you can go to schedule your proctored exams. I advise you to do this as quickly as you can. And then the last thing that I wanted to show you is your Mylab and Mastering. This is where you will do your homework at, and this is what I call, you'll hear me refer to as my stat lab. And if you click on that, that's where you will go to find your homework. So this is just a short video. I have tons of videos in the course that will help you. But welcome to class, and just let me know if you have any questions.